I'm G from Brazil, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy the tickets to visit the Iguazu Falls from the Brazilian side. Yes, it's open only from the Brazilian side, but they informed me their website is only in Portuguese, so I decided to make this video to help you. I have a video where I explain the difference and the changes they're taking because of the coronavirus, so it's gonna be somewhere here. But today I'm gonna teach you how to buy the tickets, because one of the changes is that now you have to buy tickets in advance and you have to choose day and time. So let's go. So the place to buy the tickets is this website, cataratasdoiguaçu.com.br. And then you just close here. Okay, so that's the official website. Here it's explaining about the prices. So for foreigners, it's 72 Brazilian money. For kids, 11. For some countries in South America, 57. And for children, 11. And for Brazilians, it's 43. And children, 11. But today I'm gonna show you how to buy considering you are from another country. So you go here in this yellow thing, comprar ingresso. And then you see the green button written comprar, and it's the general ticket. So let's go. And now here, you click in the orange box, compre agora, clique aqui. In English, it's buy now, click here. And then you have to say where you were from. So let's say I'm from another country. And here, look, you can't buy to the next month. So we are in October. Let's say I'm gonna buy to 31st. And then you go in the yellow button, selecionar bilhetes. And here it's showing the price. So the first one, it's for adults, 72. Then you select you want one. If you're taking children with you, then you have to select the number of children. And they consider children until 11 years old. And here, oops. And then in this little box, it's saying that if you want to donate or not. So let's say you want, and then you go to the yellow box and select time. So, selecionar horário. Oops. Okay. And now you have to choose what time is going to be your visit. Let's say it's 10:30 in the morning. So the visits are from 9 in the morning to 4 in the afternoon. But before you buy, you have to subscribe. So do you see where it's written cadastre-se? Then you click here. And then you have to write your full name, your email, and you have to select a password. So let's say. Okay? And then you make sure you're buying the right ticket. So data da visita, the day of your visit, the time your visit, and if you're a Brazilian or not, and the price. And then you have to select the country where you were from. So let's say you're from the United States. Here. And then your document, you have to write the number of your passport, your phone, your zip code, and then where it's written endereço, it's your address, and then the number of your address, your city, and there's a little box here. If the credit card you were buying the ticket is not yours, then you have to select here and you have to give some extra information. I advise you to buy with your own card. And then the first thing, it's the number of your card. And the next, it's the security code, which is behind the card. It's the 3 numbers. And then when it expires, so the month and the year. And finally, the name on your card. And then you go to efetuar pagamento. it's the green button. And that's it, guys. I hope I helped you. And the idea of this channel is to help everybody who are planning a trip to Brazil. So in this channel, you're gonna find videos about food, tours, activities, where to go, how long to spend in each city. So in this video, I try to help how to buy tickets, because now you have to book your tickets in advance if you want to visit the waterfalls, and it's open only from the Brazilian side in the date when I'm making this video. So if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Have a wonderful time in Brazil. Bye!